वेलकम टू एग्रोमेट क्लासरूम। ये हमारे चैनल का वेरी फर्स्ट लेक्चर वीडियो है और टॉपिक यहाँ पर है IMD portals and apps. We are going to study very briefly about IMD and the important portals and important apps which are very important as per the exams and as per the syllabus as well. We should know, since we are from agrometrology, we should know these terms, these short forms, these portals and these apps that we are going to discuss further in this video. And without any further ado, let's head it. Okay, right. तो जो सबसे पहले है यहाँ पे the very first point written over here is that the IMD established on 15th January 1875. In this year, that is 2024, the IMD, it has celebrated its 150th year of establishment. The Director General of IMD, the Director General of IMD is Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra, and the parent department of IMD is Ministry of Earth Science. So there are 6 regional offices, namely Chennai, Nagpur, Kolkata, Guwahati, Mumbai, and New Delhi. So your IMD, it is responsible for meteorological observations, weather forecasting, and seismology. Seismology is related to the study of earthquakes. Okay, the first term over here is summer. Okay, the full form of summer is your System of Aerosol Monitoring and Research. It was launched by IMD in 2016, and the purpose was to study the concentration of black carbon, radioactive properties of aerosols, your environmental visibility, and their climatological impacts. So what are black carbon? Black carbon is a component of fine particulate matter. The size is given here that it should be equals to or lesser than 2.5 micrometer. It was formed due to the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels and biomasses. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about WAFE, this WAFE system. So when this celebration was going on by IMD, they have introduced few things. One of those is WAFE system. The full form will be Weather Analysis and Forecast Enabling System. It is inspired by Panch Mahabhuta, that is water, air, fire, earth, and sky. And it is what? It is a web GIS based integrated decision support system. It is a DSS. Now, DSS, there is a very briefly given definition, a very short definition given over here, that the DSS, it incorporates the specialized modules for severe weather events and utility tools for visualization, analysis, and response action based on IMD's early warnings. Right. And there are different type of DSS or different parts of DSS. They are MICS, DIPS, your SIVS, and PWIS. MICS is what? It is a meteorological information communication system. Your DIPS will be data information processing system. Another, that is SIVS, it will be synthesized integrated visualization system. Next, PWIS will be your public weather information system. All right. Okay, the important part to remember or to know in this will be your WAFE system, which is a web GIS based integrated DSS. And also please note down this, the full form of WAFE system. Okay, let's go to another point. The another announcement was or introduced this thing, the Panchayat Mausam Seva portal. This portal was introduced in this celebration or on this particular date. Okay, so Panchayat Mausam Seva portal, It is jointly developed by whom? It is jointly developed by IMD. Okay, IMD, your Ministry of Earth Science, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, and Green Alert Mausam Seva. And it does what? The weather for it provide the weather forecast to every panchayat head and panchayat secretary to reach every village of the country. And this point is also important, that how many languages does it support? It supports 14 languages in total. Okay, including English, Hindi, and 12 other regional languages. What is important in this part where we have read about Panchayat Mausam Seva portal? The important part is how many languages they are supporting. That is 14 languages, including 12 regional languages and English and Hindi. Okay, and this weather forecast is not provided to individual farmer or some one person. It is instead provided to panchayat head and panchayat secretary of every village of the country, and then they are going to use this information as per required. Okay, so the portal, remember the portal, Panchayat Mausam Seva portal, and conjointly developed by whom? IMD, Ministry of Earth Science. You'll just remember this, since it is a panchayat Mausam, it is related to panchayat work. So this Ministry of Panchayati Raj will be included. Remember this part, this Green Alert Mausam Seva. Okay, all right. Let's go to mobile apps developed by IMD. Okay, so the very first mobile app developed by IMD is Mausam. Okay, it is GIS based interactive mobile app for all weather related services like current weather forecast of every hour up to 7 days, your rainfall, humidity, sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset, rain alert, lightning alert, cyclone alert, aviation and agrometeorological advisories as well. Aviation and agrometeorological advisories. How many languages does it support? It supports 12 Indian languages. Okay, so another point, that under this mobile app Mausam, the IMD, it has introduced Mausam Gram under the vision of Har Har Mausam and Har Ghar Mausam. Okay. So it does what? It allows the public to view observations, forecast, and warning for their location through a map or search function using the place name, the pin codes, and coordinates will work too. The forecast, it is available on an hourly basis, your 3 hourly basis and 6 hourly basis up to next 10 days. Let's jump to next point. The next point is saying that IMD has digitized all observations data since 1901. ये question आता है. I don't know मैंने अभी PYQ में ये वाले question को put up किया या नहीं. But since I am telling this here, I might not include in the PYQ session. ये बात बहुत important है, please इसको note कर लीजिएगा, that IMD has digitized all of its observational data since 1901. Another very important point is this second one, that IMD provides climate forecast for each month and season based on the dynamical multi-model ensemble climate forecast since 2021. Okay, ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन शायद मैंने PYQ1 या PYQ2 में नहीं, बट PYQ1 में ये वाला क्वेश्चन इंक्लूडेड है. अगर नहीं होगा तो मैं ये वाले क्वेश्चन को इंक्लूड कर दूंगी नेक्स्ट PYQ वाले में. But just do remember that this point is very important. These 2 points are very important. ये दोनों क्वेश्चन को आप नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा. Alright, next पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा है अबाउट मेघदूत ऐप. So मेघदूत ऐप, it is conjointly developed by whom? by ICRISAT, your International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, and then IMD, IITM, and ICAR. These four entities, these four big organizations, they have collaborated and created this Meghdoot app. It provides what? It provides the crop advisories to farmers based on the weather informations. Okay, and these advisories, they are district wise, and it is not just about crop. These advisories are also issued for livestock management. And issued by whom? Issued by AMFU, your AgroMet field units. On which day of the week? Tuesday and Friday. Okay. How many languages are supported? 13 regional languages are are included. 12 Indian languages and English. Right. Um, okay, it will, just read it, that it will help the farmers to take weather sensitive decisions like sowing of crop, then pesticides and fertilizer application, your irrigation scheduling, and vaccination of the animals. And then apart from the crop advisories, the app also provides the current weather information, past and forecasted weather informations for 5 days. Okay, uh, all right, see here that Meghdoot version. Which Meghdoot version is going on right now? The Meghdoot version is 1.60. This is available right now, like this is going. Okay, so from here to here, what points are important? First, this, that which version is going on. Another, who collaborated and developed Meghdoot app. It is ICRISAT, IMD, ICAR, and IITM. How many languages? 13 regional languages, including English and 12 other Indian languages. So it is district-wise advisories are made. It is for crop and it is also for livestock management. It is issued by whom? It is issued by AMFU. Which days? Tuesday and Friday. Okay. Next, let's go to Damini app. Damini app, it was developed by Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM Pune, and your ESSO, that is Earth System Science Organizations, under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. This app monitors the lightning occurrences all over India and alerts the users of lightning near them by a GPS notification under 20 kilometers and 40 kilometers. Further, Damni app also triggers warning about lightning strikes 3 hours in advance, which can help reduce the losses to life and property. Users can view your lightning which occurred in last 5 minutes, last 10 minutes, and last 15 minutes on the app. Okay, another thing, that what does it do? It provides the lightning location. Exact location is provided, lightning activity, okay, and thunderstorm movement, whether it is um, the direction is given, whether it is coming towards you or going away from you, it was given. And then it also provides the precautionary steps. All right, what are important, or what things to study in this part? The important is what? It is developed by whom? IITM Pune, ESSO, and ESSO under Ministry of Earth Science. 20 to 40 किलोमीटर के बीच में जीपीएस नोटिफिकेशन के थ्रू लाइटनिंग अक्रस जो होती है उसके बारे में अलर्ट करता है. ओके, एंड देन जो 3 घंटे एडवांस में जब कोई लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक होने वाली है या फिर लाइटनिंग जब शुरू होगी उसके 3 घंटे पहले ही ये एडवांस में बता देता है, ट्रिगर कर देता है, वार्निंग दे देता है कि अब लाइटनिंग स्टार्ट होगी अब से 3 घंटे के बाद. राइट, उसके बाद जो यूजर्स हैं वो मैप पे लास्ट 5 मिनट, लास्ट 10 मिनट, लास्ट 15 मिनट में जो लाइटनिंग हुई थी उसको देख सकते हैं। अनदर क्या क्या चीज, सो ब्रीफली क्या क्या चीज प्रोवाइड करता है दामिनी ऐप? ये प्रोवाइड करता है लाइटनिंग की एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, लाइटनिंग की एक्टिविटी क्या है कि अभी वो कितना पावरफुल है, कैसे चल रहा है, राइट। थंडरस्टॉर्म मूवमेंट, इसकी डायरेक्शन बताता है कि क्या ये आपके तरफ आ रहा है या फिर आपसे दूर है, किस डायरेक्शन में है, उसकी मूवमेंट कैसी है, with the speed and all and the direction of movement. Okay, then precautionary steps बताता है। Alright, ठीक है, तो let's go further. Okay, alright. So next, that the next point they are saying that government implements various projects related to crop production forecasting and drought assessment, which involves the use of satellite images such as forecasting agricultural output using space agrometeorology and land-based observations. Fasal project. Okay, it is done for what? It is done for crop production, forecasting of field crops. Okay, the just the crop production and the forecasting of field crops. Next, we have National Agriculture, National Agricultural Drought Assessment and Monitoring System, NADAMS. NADAMS is for Agricultural Drought Assessment. Okay, next project that is mentioned over here is Project Chaman. The full form of Project Chaman is Coordinated Horticulture Assessment and Management using Geoinformatics. It was launched in September 2014. The project is aimed to give a boost to the horticulture sector of country using geoinformatics, that is your geospatial and monitoring system. Okay, next we have Kisan. The full form given over here is C. It is crop, but K. This is phonetics, right? The phonetics is used over here. Then crop insurance using space technology and geoinformatics. It is for the improvement in yield estimation. Further given over here that the project envisaged use of high resolution remote sensing data for optimum crop cutting, experiment planning and improving the yield estimation, right. Next next point here, it is a news clipping, news clipping saying that the Union Ministry of State for Agriculture launched Krishi Decision Support System, that is Krishi DSS. It is a geospatial platform to provide real-time information on crop condition, weather patterns, your weather resources and soil health. Next we have Bhuvan. Bhuvan is what? It is a geo portal of ISRO with 3D imaging capabilities of India. Alright, and with this the video comes to end, and the content was short but it was important, right? So make a short note. I will convert it into PDF and upload it to the Telegram channel. Telegram channel, if you cannot find it through the link given in the description, just type AgroMet Classroom over there, and you will find the channel with the logo of our channel there. And this is the end of this video of this lecture. Sooner we are going to bring another lecture, and if there is some particular point, some particular topic that you are finding it difficult, तो आप comment section में हमें बता सकते हैं. We are going to work on it. हम लोग उस पे फिर lecture series में उसको include करेंगे, right? और अच्छी तरीके से जल्दी प्रिपरेशन करनी है. मैं भी नेक्स्ट PYQ सीरीज जो है थर्ड वाली हमारी 2 अपलोड हो चुकी है. थर्ड हम लोग जल्दी से लेके आते हैं और लेक्चर सीरीज भी साथ में करते रहेंगे. आप अपने जो डाउट्स हैं या जो भी टॉपिक्स हैं वो प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। और इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो यहाँ ख़त्म करते हैं। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। बाय बाय।